Hey everyone, I'm Shane Anderson, lead technician here at Dent. If you're listening to this message, then you more than likely got hail damage on your vehicle, but you don't gotta worry because we're here to help you out. We're experts in the business, plus we're gonna give you free car washes for a whole year. Alright folks, the first thing you're gonna wanna do is call up your insurance company to start the claims process. And they're gonna either send an adjuster out to look at your car, or they're gonna have you bring your car to one of their catastrophe drivers. And after examining the vehicle, they're going to ask you where you want to get your car fixed. They'll give you a list of their preferred vendors. You can choose where you want to, folks. We've got some of the best technicians that you could have working on your car. We've got an excellent staff that's going to keep you updated throughout the entire process. And we're going to give you free car washes for a year. So choose Dent Pass. Alright, so to me it seems like the choice here is clear. You get your car fixed with us and you get free car washes for a year. So click the schedule appointment button and we'll be looking forward to seeing you soon, folks.